Guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Want you to see what I do with this project display board from the Dollar Tree? You won't believe it. Aluminum foil. Guys, this is a project board from the Dollar Tree. This is a project board from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to show you the premise of how you can do this. This board closes up like this, right? Well, only thing you have to do, because I want the white side to show, bend it. Bend the dollar project board in and get that crease, okay? Once you bend it, now you can form a box with it. You see that? But because I want it to fit in the corner, I am going to make a diamond with it. And once you make your diamond with it, you tape it so it'll stay a diamond. So now this piece right here will fit in the corner. So now that I have my diamond shape, I can fit this piece in the corner. But remember I said I wanted the white piece to show, so I am going to flip it back the other way. I got my diamond shape. I will put tape here, and I will, put it in the corner. Now, however you would like to decorate that, you can. Guys, once you have your box or triangle cardboard taped, it's up to you how you want to decorate it. But like I said, I'm using things that I have at the house. So I am going to show you how I am going to decorate my stand. Now, I have rocks in the yard. So I decided to go get some rocks out of the yard. And in my kitchen, I also have these bamboo sticks, these skewers from the Dollar Tree. So guys, I have simply decided to just decorate my box with the skewers and the rocks. The good thing about this is it's no rhyme or reason on how you need, to decorate this. I like it because as I put the rocks on the box get more and more sturdy, and it stabilizes the box. So if I don't want to have it too heavy or just sit here and be consumed by, doing a whole bunch of rocks, I can take up that room with skewers. And on top of that, if you want, you can sand this if you want, or just simply stain it. So guys, that's how I decided to do mine. I'm using, some glue stick, glue gun, and I'm just randomly doing it. That's the good thing about it. You don't have to have a rhyme or reason on how you want to do it. And you can stagger the sticks and, just play with it. So I will be back with the final project. Okay, guys, here is my finished floor stand. And like I said, you can do whatever you want to do with the stand. You can decorate it the way you want to decorate it. I just used things that I had around the house. And so, you can fill it all up with rocks, or you can fill it all up with whatever you're going to fill it up with. But now I am going to put the stems on the inside for what I made it for. All right, guys. Well, here's my stand. And I bought some sticks from Burlington for $7.99. And I am just going to place these sticks in my stand. And see how they look. Like I said, guys, just, you know, do it the way you want to do it. Make your stand the way you want to make your stand. I am so tired. When you get into making this stand, you're going to have so many different ideas of how you could have did it. But that's what every craft is. But, like I said, you're going to need a lot of glue sticks. And don't use big rocks. Use smaller rocks if you can. Yeah, big rocks would take up most of the room and have it where you don't have to put a whole bunch of little rocks on there. Those big rocks are heavier, so that's going to make the stand more heavier. The only plus side about that is that you don't have to worry about this falling over. This stand is not going to fall over. And the big rocks do take up more room, you know, so you don't have to have a lot of room in it. But other than that, this is my stand. It matched my decor in my basement. And I'm happy with it. So guys, this is what it looks like. This is what the stand looks like. It matches everything in my basement. So guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. Stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Mwah!